What's really going on, PEZ Collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. So strong. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, one of the cool things about being a host of a PEZ convention is the conventions all work together. We try to help each other out as much as we possibly can. And in case you didn't know, there is something called the virtual PEZ Convention. They've already held 2. They're going strong, with a 3rd one coming soon, and then a 4th, and a 5th, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. But yes, Landon Proctor and Morgan Reinhardt are the ones that, yeah, there we go, with your hosts. Ta-da! So this is the packet with a ultra cool dispenser. Look at that. So cool. With a dual candy pack. Because they're teaming up and helping everybody still stay connected when all the other conventions have been canceled. So they put them together virtually. What a great idea. What a great idea. So this will be one of the many prizes at the P.I.G. The Unconventional Convention, coming soon, 2021. Be sure to check out thepigevents.com. But also check out the virtual PEZ Convention. What a cool idea. What a cool idea. So until next time.